So we're going to go through the truth table for the four input word problem, and right now all of the switches are off, which the light should be off, which it is. If you turn on the last one, it should be off, which it is. The second to last one, off, on, off, which the light is off when you turn it on, so it's good. Both the high and the low, which is the last two, are both on. The light should off, so yes. The second one on, the light off, yes. The second one on, the last one on, light on, which it is. First one and third one on, or second and third one on, light should be off, which it is. The last three on, the light turns on, which it does. Only the first one on, light stays off, which is good. The first and last one on, the light turns on. The first one and the third one, light should stay off, which it does. The first and the last two on, and the light should be on, which it is. Only the first two on, the light should stay off, which it does. And then the first two and the last one on, which turns the light on, which it should. And then turn on the first three, the light should stay on, which it does. And turn on all four, and the light should stay on, which it does. Which proves that this circuit works.